If you run a business and you are still answering phones yourself, you are losing money. Humans sleep, humans take lunch break, humans forget things. But this, I just built an AI receptionist. It talks with clients 24/7 and it lives in WhatsApp. It handles bookings, it handles emergencies, and it put everything directly onto my computer screen. And the best part, I didn't write a single line of code, and I'm going to teach you how you can also build for your business, and also you can sell it to your clients. I'm going to give you full file for free, so watch full video till the end, and I'm pretty sure that you will learn something interesting. Welcome to Lovable. This tool is crazy. It's like having a senior developer sitting next to you. If you never heard about Lovable, check just first 3 minutes of my previous video and you will get the complete idea. You can find link from the top. The game plan is we will use Twilio for a WhatsApp connection, and then we'll go to Lovable, paste one mega prompt to build an AI agent. Then when AI agent will be created, we'll get URL from a Lovable. So that URL we will paste into Twilio, and then our AI agent will be ready. I already did hard work for you. I created one mega prompt to create this WhatsApp AI agent, and I paste the full prompt into description tab, copy it and paste it into your Lovable and try it by yourself. Let's dive into Lovable. As you can see from the prompt that I give it proper information, like build a complete bright smile dental AI appointment system. So this project has two parts, a backend for a WhatsApp AI agent and a front-end admin dashboard. And then I provided tech stack requirements in the part 1 database scheme and the seed data. In the part 2 I provided backend logic, and also in the part 3 I provided what kind of designs I want in the front end. Let's execute. So while it's loading, let's get into Twilio and let's set up an account. Simply sign up in Twilio. I already have account. Then when you will have account, then you can go to develop tab and then messaging and try it out and then send a WhatsApp message. And then you can connect your WhatsApp by scanning a QR code, or you can send a message on this WhatsApp number as well. I will scan it and then we'll connect with Twilio. We connected now our Twilio with our WhatsApp account. Let's get dive into Lovable. And as you can see, it's still loading, and I already allowed enable cloud. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, subscribe to my channel because there will be many other videos in the future related to AI tips and tricks. There you have it. They created dashboard for us. Now let's go to cloud. They already enabled the cloud for us. Go to edge function, click on Twilio webhook, copy URL and go to Twilio, go to sandbox setting, replace the URL and then save. Now we'll go to WhatsApp and then let's try to send a message. Hey. So as you can see, I tried to send a message, but Twilio didn't answer it. So Twilio is trying to knock your door, but Supabase is blocking it. So we'll go to Lovable, and we need to give it a prompt that I'm getting a 401 unauthorized error from the Twilio. Please update the Twilio webhook edge function, configure it to disable JWT. So this is very common. So when you enter for the first time, you need to give this and it will improve it for us. By default, Supabase functions act like a VIP club. They require a user ID badge, means JWT token, to enter. So Twilio does not have this badge, so Supabase silently rejects the message. So that's why we give it this prompt and it will solve it for us. So now they disabled JWT for webhook. Let's go to WhatsApp and then let's try to send a message again. Hey, as you can see, they mentioned, hey there, how can I help you today at Bright Smile Dental Clinic? Are you looking to schedule an appointment, or do you have any question for us? Now we'll go to Lovable and then go to cloud and edge function. And then now if you click on logs, then you can see it's working completely fine. Now let's go to dashboard. And as you can see in the live chat, there is a live conversation which is happening. And if you go to calendar, there is no appointment yet. So we'll go to there. I need appointment for cleaning. Certainly we can help you with the cleaning appointment. A cleaning typically takes about 60 minutes. So they are asking for a doctor. Una says, fine for me. Can you give me appointment next week? So as you can see, they are not giving a date. So we'll go to Lovable and we'll ask to specifically that please include the date when you ask for an appointment. So now I ask Lovable to include a date in their conversation. So instead of asking just Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it should ask to the specific date. Let's try to execute. Okay, now it seems like it's updated. So let's go again. Can you please tell me date and time for next week? So now it seems like, how about Monday, December 15th? Monday, December 15th will be fine. Excellent. So Monday, December 15th for your cleaning with Dr. Jonas at 10 a.m. Perfect. So that's cleaning appointment with Dr. Jonas on Monday, December 15th at 10 a.m. May I please have a full name? Of course, Anil Barochia. Appointment is confirmed now. And they're saying we are looking forward for you. There you have it. We have now confirmed appointment. Let's get back to Lovable and see if it is updated there or not. We can go to calendar and December 15th, Monday. For Kanil Barochia, appointment is confirmed. As you can see it, with one prompt, they built entire AI employee for us. And then later, if you want some modification, by asking simply in the chat or with the voice note, they will update for you. And you can also change based on your own requirements. Guys, we built this in minutes. Imagine selling this to a dentist or a salon or a gym. You can charge around $1,000 to $5,000 for this AI system to your client. I put exact text prompt into description. Just copy it, paste it into Lovable and try it by yourself. Wait for the next video. We'll be creating really interesting tool. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.